In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to reinstall the vehicle's serpentine belt. What you're going to want to do is loop the vehicle's belt back around the corresponding pulleys and take a look at the pulley configuration chart, which is located on the vehicle's cowl. That'll give you proper belt routing technique. Once you have it around all but one of the pulleys, it's okay to go ahead and revolve the spring tensioner in the appropriate direction. Depending on make and model, it will either be clockwise or counterclockwise. That'll give you slack in the belt so you can slip it up on top of the appropriate pulley. I got my hand down on the ratchet installed in the serpentine belt tensioner. This particular vehicle rotates clockwise to generate slack, as you can see. I'm going to get a grip on it, rotate it clockwise, and slip it back up on the pulley. Once you've done that, you're going to want to inspect all the belt to pulley connections and make sure that it's riding in its appropriate location. For example, you can see that the belt is centered on the pulley, none of the ribs are exposed, the belt's not hanging off either side.